Changing the SIM card name and icon on the Galaxy S24 helps you easily identify and manage multiple SIM cards, making it more convenient to distinguish between personal and work numbers. This is how you do it. First, press the home button to return to the home screen. Then, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on Connections, and on the next page, scroll down and select SIM Manager. Tap on the SIM card you want to rename. Now tap Edit Name and Icon. Here, you can enter a new name, such as Work SIM. After typing the new name, choose an icon that best illustrates the SIM card. After that, tap on Done. You'll see the new name displayed. For instance, it might now show Work SIM instead of SIM 1. You can similarly rename another SIM, perhaps to Home SIM. Finally, press the Home button to return to the home screen. And that's it. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.